Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and choosing the right link subscription because access level controls streaming quality and offline options. Once done, install Beatport Link and authorize it inside your DJ software. Grant audio and network permissions. Make sure your laptop and controller are on a reliable network. I prefer wired Ethernet for live sets to avoid dropouts. Also verify audio routing and sample rate in your audio interface so playback starts cleanly. Next, organize your music into crates and playlists to reduce search time when performing. This is where preparation earns you freedom. Once organized, select key playlists to cache for offline playback, set cache size and preferred bitrate to balance quality versus disk use. Then load tracks into DEC, S, and analyze waveforms so beat grids are consistent. If a track's grid is off, adjust it in your software. Doing this before gig time prevents tempo mismatches and keeps mixing tight. When you perform, cue and gain each deck and rely on cached tracks for critical moments because they avoid network hiccups. Keep an eye on latency and buffer size. Lower the buffer for responsiveness, but increase it if crackles appear. If streaming degrades, immediately switch to offline mode or the locally cached copy, then reduce streaming bitrate to conserve bandwidth. Finally, if playback stalls, reconnect Ethernet, restart the link integration, and reauthorize. That single troubleshooting step solves most live streaming failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.